Welcome to VCC and the Automotive Collision Repair and Refinishing programs. Located at the Transportation Trades Training Facility at the Broadway campus, the programs are the largest in BC. VCC offers a Common Core certificate program to help you get a foundation in collision repair or collision refinishing. We also offer a 2-year auto collision and refinishing diploma program. There are also 6 courses allowing current apprentices to work in the industry and learn at VCC in order to achieve a Certificate of Qualification or Red Seal certificate. The VCC Auto Body Shop is equipped with computer-assisted 3D laser frame measuring, the latest welding equipment, and a state-of-the-art downdraft paint booth. More than 50% of your time at VCC is spent working on the auto body shop floor. Projects are done in small teams that simulate the workplace. You'll be training on customers' cars in a working auto body shop at VCC. By following major car manufacturers' latest repair procedures and using industry-leading products, our grads exceed the needs of today's employers. Program instructors are industry experienced and Red Seal certified. There are 20 instructors and staff in the department to help you reach your career goals. Get started repairing and refinishing damaged vehicles right now at VCC. To learn more, sign up for a virtual info session or book an appointment with a VCC advisor.